These are the G9 LED light bulbs in 5000K daylight white. In this video, I'm installing them to replace the old halogen bulbs. Each bulb is 4 watts, but gives you the equivalent of a 40-watt halogen, with about 400 lumens of brightness. The daylight white color is nice and crisp, which makes a big difference in spaces like kitchens, bathrooms, or chandeliers, where you want bright, clean lighting. The G9 bi-pin base makes installation really simple. It's a direct replacement. Just pull out the old bulb and plug the new one in. No rewiring or special tools needed. These bulbs are non-dimmable, so they're best used in fixtures that don't have a dimmer switch. Once they're in, the light turns on instantly with no flickering or warm-up time. I also like that they run cooler than traditional halogen bulbs, which is especially important for enclosed fixtures like chandeliers. This is the 10-pack, which is great if you're replacing multiple bulbs at once or upgrading an entire fixture. Overall, these G9 LEDs are bright, easy to install, and a solid, energy-efficient replacement for halogens.